Hello everyone. Imagine a universe where the sky is a door to the stars, where humanity has unraveled the mysteries of the universe, and where all of the universe is used as a source of power. One morning, you wake up, defy gravity as you rise from your bed, and gaze out of your window to see a bustling city skyline rising towards the clouds, filled with flying vehicles. You leave your room, step into the corridor, and are greeted by a robot made with a cup of tea. As you sip your tea, you read the news on your state-of-the-art device, learning that humanity has reached another milestone. The news reports a newly discovered civilization type that can harness the energy of the stars in our galaxies. After finishing your tea, you hop into a capsule and head to a massive space station. Here, you collaborate with other scientists and engineers to uncover the mysteries of the universe and make new discoveries. In the evening, you decide to take a break and enjoy the interstellar view. You board a luxurious spaceship, and within a few hours, you arrive at a distant planet known for its exotic cuisines. After enjoying your meal, you return home. This scenario might seem like something we'd only see in movies, right? But what if I told you that all of this could be a reality and that some alien civilizations might have already reached these levels? Everything began in 1964 when Soviet scientist Nikolai Kardashev developed a classification system that grouped civilizations based on their technological advancements and energy consumption. Known as the Kardashev scale, this ranged from Type 1, representing a civilization that hasn't yet fully utilized its planet's potential, to Type 3, which can utilize the energy of an entire galaxy. The interaction between energy and technology is a fundamental principle underlying a civilization's progress. The more energy sources a society can access, the more new technologies it can develop, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of advancement. Despite our significant technological achievements as humans, we are still at the lowest level of the Kardashev scale. We haven't yet achieved the ability to fully utilize the energy available on our planet and establish a sustainable global energy infrastructure. According to the scale, humanity currently scores 0.73. Our average energy consumption was around 18.4 TW in 2018. However, American theoretical physicist Michio Kaku calculated that if we increase our energy consumption by 3% annually, we could reach Type 1 civilization status within 100 to 200 years. Type 1 civilizations dominate their planets and neighboring stars. They should derive their energy, knowledge, and raw materials from fission, fusion, and renewable sources. Interplanetary travel and communication, megascale planetary engineering, and medical breakthroughs that eliminate diseases and slow aging are also significant factors. By definition, Type 1 civilizations are not limited to a single planet and have dominion over multiple planets and moons in their solar system. They would have a government allowing for the spread across multiple planets, interplanetary trade, research, and collaboration. Although technologically advanced, these civilizations are not invincible. They might still face existential threats. Michio Kaku, in his book Physics of the Future, explained that Type 1 civilizations could harness all the sunlight reaching their planet, possibly even harness the power of volcanoes, control the weather, manage earthquakes, and build cities on oceans. The entirety of the planet's power would be under their control. Such a level of control is truly astonishing and showcases how far a civilization can progress when it masters energy and technology. When we think of Type 1 civilizations, all these characteristics might suggest that these beings possess superpowers. However, let's look at what Type 2 civilizations can do. Are you familiar with the Dyson sphere? When we talk about Type 2 civilizations, this sphere comes into play. These civilizations can harness the entire energy of a star by building a Dyson sphere. The Dyson sphere is a hypothetical megastructure proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson to capture a star's energy. The energy obtained from this hypothetical megastructure can later be used to power the civilization's infrastructure and technology. Of course, building a Dyson sphere would require a vast amount of resources and technology. So much so that it's currently impossible for us as humanity to construct such a sphere. Nevertheless, there have been intriguing discoveries that raise questions about the possibility of advanced civilizations harnessing the energy of stars. In this regard, one of the most famous discoveries that has garnered significant attention among astronomers and the general public is the star named Tabby's star. Located about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, this star was discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope in 2015. Tabby's star gained attention due to its unusual and irregular light patterns. During its discovery, the celestial body appeared to darken irregularly by up to 20%. This was not consistent with any natural event previously observed. Some astronomers suggested that the dimming could be due to a series of comets passing in front of the star, or perhaps even a megastructure like a Dyson sphere. However, if a civilization were able to construct a Dyson sphere around a star, they would possess technology and infrastructure on a scale we can't even currently imagine. Additionally, the energy they would obtain from such a sphere would be of immense scale. This hypothetical civilization should have the ability to harness the energy of stars. They could even potentially create artificial gravity and black holes. With these capabilities, Type 2 civilizations could colonize entire star systems, construct habitats and infrastructure on planets and moons, and even terraform these worlds to make them habitable for their species. Altering the orbits of celestial bodies or creating their own star systems would be relatively easy for them. On the other hand, when Type 3 civilizations come into play, all of the above seems quite rudimentary. Imagine a galaxy where entire solar systems are dismantled and stars are encircled by Dyson clouds. Consider the power of a civilization that can harness such energy. Think about a race capable of moving faster than the speed of light, manipulating gravity and electromagnetic fields. These beings could potentially traverse the galaxy in a matter of hours using propulsion technologies we can't yet comprehend. A 2015 study by astronomers suggested that the probability of such a civilization existing in our local universe is extremely low. However, if they did exist, galaxies would be mere pit stops for them, and planets just stones in their path. Such civilizations would have the power to manipulate the fabric of spacetime, control the movements of stars, and harness energy from the most powerful events in the universe, like supernovae and black holes. Imagine humanity reaching this level. In reality, if humanity persists for another million years, we might approach this stage. However, it doesn't seem very likely at the moment. This suggests two possibilities: either no civilization has reached this level anywhere in the universe, or these advanced beings possess such advanced technology that they can erase their traces and hide themselves. In conclusion, it wouldn't be wrong to say this is the most advanced and powerful type of civilization. In fact, Kardashev believed there could only be 3 types of civilizations. But could there be a civilization even more advanced than these? A Type 4 civilization? In the original scale, Nikolai Kardashev believed that the energy of an entire galaxy could satisfy any life form's needs, which is why he introduced only 3 levels of civilization. However, some scientists have expanded on this, imagining civilizations that exist beyond Type 3. According to some, the vastness of the universe and the existence of billions of galaxies suggest that a Type 4 civilization could be possible. Such a civilization, if necessary, could control the energy of all galaxies and utilize them according to their needs. Moreover, these beings could manipulate and reorganize galaxies as if they were construction sites, create new planetary systems, and even completely erase something from the universe that they didn't require. However, to achieve such a level of control, this civilization would need to discover new laws of physics that are beyond our current human comprehension. The emergence of such an advanced civilization is a testament to the immense potential of the universe and the myriad mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Furthermore, the multiverse theory, a concept debated by many scientists and philosophers for centuries, raises the question: what if a civilization not only discovered the existence of other universes, but also found a way to harness their energy? A Type 5 civilization would be able to control the energy of these infinite universes. Such a civilization could control all hidden dimensions of the universe and transfer energy from one universe to another. Teleportation and even time travel would be quite normal for them. While all this may sound implausible, by further expanding our imagination, we can conceive of a Type 6 civilization that can create and destroy. Let's envision a distant future where humanity has reached the pinnacle of evolution and transformed into a Type 7 civilization. At this point, we would have unraveled the secrets of the universe and, more importantly, achieved immortality. Alternatively, using virtual technology, we could travel between dimensions. This could be feasible by bending space-time and creating a void, which could then be used as a new home for other objects in the universe. With all these theories in mind, it's possible to say that the laws of physics might be entirely different. This could be a significant factor. On the other hand, a civilization capable of interdimensional travel would discover that each dimension is unique. Some dimensions might be filled with vibrant colors and exotic creatures, while others might be vast deserts or barren lands. Moreover, in each visited dimension, there would always be new things to learn. But the most incredible aspect of such a civilization would be their attainment of immortality. If we could program atoms in this dimension, imagine what we could achieve. If we told you that millions of years ago, a highly advanced civilization existed, what would you think? You've all seen the ancient structures, the pyramids, that have stood for thousands of years and continue to inspire humanity to this day. For years, scientists have studied the Great Pyramid of Giza and pondered what was needed to build such a structure during that era. Many researchers believe that the completion of the pyramid required 20,000 workers and that the entire construction process took 20 years. However, the idea that this structure was built using only ropes and wooden pulleys seems implausible, especially considering the detailed craftsmanship and precise alignments of the pyramid. Building it with low technology in just 20 years sounds absurd, doesn't it? Despite all the research, we still haven't discovered exactly how the pyramids were built. It seems there was no advanced technology available at that time, so it's hard to believe that the pyramid could have been constructed under normal circumstances. When you also consider other structures like Machu Picchu and Stonehenge, it might suggest that an advanced civilization once existed on our planet. However, this isn't scientifically proven. What if we are mistaken? What if there's so much more about our history that we don't know? Perhaps an advanced civilization once existed, capable of terraforming planets, creating new life forms, and traveling at the speed of light in space. But despite all their power, this civilization faced the threat of extinction due to natural disasters, wars, or sudden changes in the fabric of space-time. Regardless of the cause, they had to make a choice: face extinction or leave their world in search of a new home among the stars. Maybe they journeyed from one planet to another, shaping planets and leaving behind incredible structures that still amaze us today, from the pyramids to the Nazca lines and even mysterious underwater cities. Yet, we continue to believe that we are the most advanced civilization in the universe. What if we are merely the latest in a long line of rising and falling civilizations? While all this might sound like a science fiction script, we must admit that there's so much we still don't know. Maybe Earth is filled with undiscovered evidence. Perhaps the discoveries we make in the future could further advance our civilization or even help us better understand the universe. This could enable us to overcome current challenges and build a better future for all. The road ahead for humanity is long and uncertain, but with courage, determination, and a belief in goodness, we can achieve great things and reach new heights as a civilization. Please share your thoughts about the future of humanity in the comments below. Until our next video, take care.